Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you are doing great. So, welcome to our Moroccan Darija lessons. This series is for beginners, those who want to learn Moroccan Darija as well as immerse in the Moroccan cultures. We try to keep our lessons as simple and concise as they can be. Without further ado, let's get started. Here are some common Moroccan Darija words. Assalam, 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 which means hello. Also, so there is another expression by which we can express Assalam. For example, we can say, peace be upon you, peace be upon you. And the replay is, peace be upon you too, peace be upon you too. Or the person might respond by using this expression, peace be upon you too. Assalam, Assalam, Assalam. So it is said all over the day. Shukran, 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 Shukran. Thank you. متشرفين, متشرفين. Nice to meet you. Bislama, Bislama. Goodbye, goodbye. Practice dialogue. So here are a dialogue that you can practice with your friend, a member of your family, as I always mentioned. Okay, so here we have two characters, Anis and Selma. Dialogues. Okay, I will read the dialogue for you. Anis, Salam, labas. Salam, labas. The translation is hello, how are you? Salam bikhair, alhamdulillah. Salam bikhair, alhamdulillah. Hello, good, thanks to God. أنيس أنا اسميتي أنيس وأنتي شنو اسميتك؟ My name is Anis and you, what is your name? أنا اسميتي أنيس أنا اسميتي أنيس وأنتي شنو اسميتك؟ My name is Anis and you, what is your name? أنا اسميتي سلمى متشرفين. My name is Selma, nice to meet you. متشرفين, nice to meet you too. So here, we say متشرفين when we meet a person for the first time. متشرفين. When encounter and when we meet a person for the first time. So here is the first exercise, fill in the blanks. So what are you going to do is to pause the video before you reach this step. Pause the video and try to don't return to the vocabulary or the practice dialogue. Try to feel it if you remember something. If not, so there is key answers and solutions. The second one, matching. So here you have to match each Darija word with its appropriate meaning. And here we have vocabulary review, as you can see. So salam, shukran, mutşarrifin, nice to meet you, bislama. So before you reach this step, so you have to do the exercises based on what you understand, based on what you learn from the video. Okay? Here is also the solution of the exercise number 1. Salam labas, alhamdulillah, شنو سميتك, متشرفين. And the solution also for the exercise number 2. Salam, shukran, متشرفين, bislama. So our target is to add and to learn vocabulary than to try to practice a dialogue. Now, so it is up to you to come out with a dialogue and practice it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson, inshallah. Goodbye.